So today I'm going to quickly show you my top 5 favorite smartphone gadgets of the week, plus a bonus one as well that's really cool. And well, let's get started.
Mr. Black.
First one on the list is this Magsafe hard drive. This comes in from Aiffro, up to 2 terabyte solid state hard drive. And yeah, look at this thing. This is the 1 terabyte solid state drive, and it's so small. But it pops on the back of your phone with Magsafe. It has the USB output right here at the bottom. You plug this thing in and it has 2 fast USB-C cables, one of them that has this angle to it, just perfect for mounting onto your smartphone and plugging in. And then when you're using ProRes video, you can automatically be recording onto that hard drive, because when you do record with those big files, it takes up a lot of space, and something like this is very important to have. You can also just have this plugged in and use this as any normal drive to export your videos or photos right to this, and then you can plug it into your computer and it will show up just like a hard drive, because that's what it is. Which is also really important, because if you have big video files or just a lot of them, it takes forever to do airdrops with it. It's just so much easier to pop this thing on a hard drive and then also have a copy of it too. It's super sleek, it's fast, and earlier I just said my top 5 smartphone gadgets, because it's not just all iPhone. This will work with your Samsung phones as well, and especially if you have a Samsung case that has like the MagSafe capability to it, it could pop on the back of that. And I'll put links to all of these gadgets nice and easily down in the description, so you can find them down there and find out the current and most up-to-date price. All right, so here's a quick and fun one. I do a lot of B-roll with my iPhone, and yeah, that's fine. But sometimes if I'm filming something with a screen and it shows up in the reflection of it, it just seems a bit silly. So this is where I have this case right here. This is an iPhone case that looks like a DSLR camera, and it's functional in more ways than one. First of all, you can pop your phone in here and it looks just like a DSLR case, especially if it shows up in that reflection of a screen. But also, when I was on my Skate trip in Las Vegas, this thing is great because it has clips on the side and it comes with this strap that you can wear around your neck. And it was so good to just have it sitting there, so that whenever I needed to get like a quick video or like a story for Instagram, I have it ready just to pop up and just quickly get that video, and then I could drop it and be hands-free. So much better than having to take it out of my pocket all the time. It worked so well. I really like this a lot. All right, so let's get to another quick one. And before we do that, if you like this kind of stuff, you like these gadget videos, make sure, don't be a stranger to the channel, and also hit that like button, and that lets YouTube know, and then you'll get alerted every time I make a video like this. And this one's super quick. Also, if you didn't notice, I have the timer up at the top, letting you know when that gadget's done and we're on to the next one. This one is MagSafe compatible. It goes on the back of your phone, and it gives you this little pop-out ring. And this thing is super important. For one, you can use it to hold in your hand. That way you can get a better grip on your phone, especially if you're playing games or scrolling through TikTok at night. You don't want to drop your phone on your face. And you can also use that ring to prop up on your table if you're watching videos, and that makes it really nice and convenient. Also, it spins around, so you can spin this around on the back to get different angles of how you're holding it, or just fidget with it. It's kind of a nice little fidgety thing, so I like that a lot. It's really cool. And check out the link in the description if you want to learn more. The next one here comes in from Ulanzi, and this is their OLock case. This one specifically works with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's designed to protect your smartphone, but also has some beautiful Ulanzi red buttons. Also, I love inside here, there's this little spot where you can have your little key to access the SIM cards, and you can even put your SIM cards right here in case you're traveling internationally. That is such a good idea and placement for your smartphone case. I'm gonna use that all the time. There is a little magnetic spot for some of Ulanzi's filters that you can pop on there. And there's this little kickstand here that props out, and you can set this thing on your desk, and that's always nice and fun to watch videos like that. But mainly, this thing is designed to work with their OLock system. And I've made videos on their OLock products before, and I'll link to that video at the end of this video so you can watch that then. There's so many accessories that have the OLock system. It's really good to get into. But then they have these little attachments right here, and that's where you can use Ulanzi's little shutter grip that pops on there. So you can pop this thing on, and now you have a shutter grip, so you can hold it like this. It's got the Bluetooth button to start and stop videos and also take photos. And also that little button is removable, so you can be remote with this thing. So if you have this set up somewhere and you're taking a group photo, you can just hit that and take the photo instead of having to set the timer and trying to run into place. There's also a quarter thread mount on the side and on the bottom, so you can have extra extensions and tripods in case you want to have it set up a certain way, or even like a selfie stick. And I like how there's this little locking mechanism down here, so you can lock this thing so you don't have to worry about it popping off. But when it's unlocked, it's easy to remove. You just press and then pop it off. It's really cool. It's a really good, sleek shutter grip, especially with this case and that OLock system. So really awesome. I'll put the links to that down in the description. And there might even be a coupon code for that too. So check it out. So also on this list, I wanted to include products from this company, ESR. They have a Magsafe compatible power station with a kickstand, and that's pretty awesome. They also have a Magsafe compatible wallet that you can also use as a kickstand, has this little pop-out spot for your finger, and has GPS. So if you lose your wallet and all of your cards that go in it, you can find it with your Find My app. But on this video, I actually want to highlight their car mount charger. You just clip this strong clamp to your vent, and they also have this little clever bit that pops out. A lot of other ones will make your vent sag. This thing you can use to prop up so it'll stay up nice and sturdy. And you just plug this thing into your car, and then when you get into your car, you just put your phone on there and it starts charging it up. It makes that a lot easier than fumbling around with cords every time you get in your car. I just find that very convenient. I use it all the time. I mean, I use it every day. And before I wrap this thing up, I just want to give a quick bonus one because I think this is a great accessory for smartphones. This is a solar-powered wireless charger, perfect for camping. This comes in from Blavor, and yeah, you have your carabiner that you can hook onto your backpack. It could be taking the sun and charging up your power bank here, and has a little compass as well, and it has lights on it, so if you need a flashlight at nighttime. You can also charge this thing up if you want to with USB-C, and it has USB-C outputs and USB-A outputs, so you can charge other devices, or you could just simply rest your phone on there and it will charge wirelessly, or you can charge your AirPods or other wireless charging devices just sitting on there. So it's really cool because, yeah, you use that solar power to charge it up. Great for on the go, great just in case you need some power somewhere for your smartphone. So I really like this thing a lot and I recommend it. But that's my top list of the week, and none of these products are sent to me to actually make this video. I just thought these were fun and clever little inventions and I wanted to share them with you guys. And if you want to, you can check out my last top 5 gadgets video right over here, or you can watch that OLock video that I made where you can see all of the things OLock can do for you. You can only pick one though. You can't pick both, so choose wisely.